a small bedroom can feel cozy yet spacious with the right layout and smart storage solutions. Here's how to maximize every inch efficiently. 1. Choose the right bed. Storage bed. A platform bed with drawers underneath eliminates the need for bulky dressers. Loft bed. If your ceiling is high enough, raise the bed to create a workspace or wardrobe underneath. Tip: if you use a regular bed, opt for risers to create storage underneath. Wall-mounted or Murphy bed. A foldable bed that tucks into the wall frees up floor space during the day. 2. Optimize furniture placement against the wall. Position the bed against one wall to open up floor space. Floating nightstands. Instead of bulky bedside tables, mount small shelves or wall sconces. Corner desk. If a workspace is needed, a small corner desk saves room. 3. Use smart storage solutions. Over the bed storage. Install floating shelves or cabinets above the headboard. Under bed baskets. Use labeled bins or rolling storage for clothes and shoes. Tip: use bed skirts or stylish baskets to hide underbed storage. Multi-purpose furniture. Choose ottomans or benches with hidden storage. 4. Make the room feel bigger. Light colors. Soft neutrals and pastels make the space feel airy. Mirrors. A large mirror reflects light and creates an illusion of more space. Minimalist decor. Keep only essential furniture and decor to avoid clutter. 5. Utilize vertical space, wall hooks and pegboards, hang bags, hats or jewelry to free up surface space. Tall dressers. A slim, tall dresser takes up less floor space than a wide one. Over-the-door storage. Perfect for shoes, accessories, or extra linens. 6. Keep it clutter-free. Built-in organizers. Use dividers and drawers to keep small items tidy. Hidden cord management. Use adhesive clips to keep wires out of sight. Foldable or stackable items. Folding laundry hampers and stackable bins save space. 7. Smart lighting choices. Wall-mounted lamps. Free up nightstand space with sconces or pendant lights. LED strip lights. Add under shelves or behind the headboard for soft lighting. Multi-use lamps. Choose bedside lamps with built-in shelves for extra storage. If you're looking for even more inspiration, join us on The Princess Home at theprincesshome.com. Thanks for watching.